Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox the most awaited casting of this particular year and the very first collab by Hotwheels with the Formula 1. And this is the Oracle Red Bull Racing F1 car. And this looks so beautiful inside the packaging. I really don't want to open it, but since our channel is only about unboxing, I am going to unbox it. I really wish I am not going to damage the packaging. I mean the card that I'm talking about, because it says Oracle Red Bull here also, which is really nice. Okay, let's unbox this. So a lot of people are actually texting me or WhatsApp or Insta or even in our comments to open this particular casting. I can understand because this is the very first time Hot Wheels is doing something like this, and unfortunately till now we are not able to get this in India. But I am lucky enough to at least get one of it when during my trip to Malaysia. Okay, that actually looks gorgeous. Okay, so let me just put this packaging aside. One second, let me show this. You can see here the Oracle Red Bull Racing logo. So they did something new. Usually they will put this treasure hunt logo or super treasure hunt logo only there, but this is the first time I am seeing this. Okay, so here it is. So out of the box, the casting looks absolutely gorgeous and it looks really phenomenal. I mean, I know I'm not going to lie about that one. So, okay, you can see the small dots as usual in the paint job, but nothing major so far. So you can see all the detailing here printed really nice. That is actually new for metal when it comes to mainline. I mean, being this good actually. Okay, so let me say this. So the entire body here, this part here, these are fully metal. This part here which covers the front tires, this is plastic. The chassis is fully plastic. I really wish they could have went with full metal casting for this, because Majority did this. No, Majority also did the chassis in plastic only, but that was totally different. So I did unbox those two cars in my channel. You can go to Major's playlist in my channel. In my channel, you can watch those unboxing videos. Those are also gorgeous cars. Okay, so the rims, I personally love this particular set of rims. It's represented in a lot of cars, actually mainline cars. So I do love this particular set of rims, which does kind of match with this particular casting. That is really nice. So till this part here, this is metal. Only here, the chassis here, all these things are plastic. Okay, this is also plastic here till this part, but the spoiler here it is metal, which I'm really happy about. There is a driver's head inside, you can see. Let me just put it this way. There's a driver's head. Those are actually plastic. Yeah, I can touch it. Those are plastic. Okay, it is a little bit heavy. Maybe because it is a bit widespread and I'm holding it from this side, so maybe it looks heavy on one side, I guess. But let's see how much this casting weighs. But everything, the paint job and everything, that looks so nice on this one for a change. Okay, 27 grams. That's okay, I can say. I was expecting somewhere around 30 to 35 grams, but it's fine. But I really love the way the casting sits. It is so flush with the ground level, you can see. It feels almost like it's floating. So I hope this does well on track. Let's see. Okay, it reaches the end, but I can see some wheel wobble on the front wheel. Okay, both wheel wobbles actually a lot, but it does reach the end without any issue. So I really want to swap this wheels with some rubber tires and put it back, that would look really gorgeous again. So this specific set of rims they are having for this premium Essenza, that would look so awesome on this one. I'm not sure whether they are going to do any premium versions of it, but yeah, it is better than other castings which we unboxed, if you ask me. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.